Hi, I'm Corey with Siebert Realty. Today we're in Sandbridge, Virginia at one of our premier oceanfront houses, The Tides. Let's go check it out. The main level of The Tides is an open, spacious floor plan connecting the living room, dining room, and kitchen. The kitchen is a gourmet chef's dream. It features 2 top-of-the-line gas stoves, 2 dishwashers, 2 refrigerators, and expansive views of the Atlantic Ocean. Every bedroom in The Tides has its own TV, but for me, the best spot watching a movie is in the movie theater. There are also 5 bedrooms on the top level, 3 of which have access to their own private deck. The first floor of The Tides features 3 bedrooms, a rec room, and is just steps away from the pool, hot tub, and ocean. Book now at SiebertRealty.com.